Where you going, Henry? You trying to crawl? Huh? You trying to crawl? Hi. Go. Come on. Come get your toy. You can do it, Hank. Yeah, you can do it, man. Come on. Show everybody that you can crawl. He's moving off the mat. You guys can see it. He's worming. He's doing it. He's not happy about it, but he's doing it.
We're picking on that baby.
We're not picking on him. He's just crawling. Yeah, hi. He gets so mad when he can't do what he wants to do. Yeah, I'm talking about the baby. I'm talking about you. You see his little legs moving?